Hi friends, welcome back to Rewind Tunes. My name is Joe. Today, we have a super exciting question to answer. Why do planets rotate? Ever wondered why the Earth spins like a top or why the other planets in our solar system do the same thing? Well, we're going to figure it out together. Now, picture this. The planets, like Earth, are floating in space. They're not just sitting still. Instead, they're all spinning around in circles, almost like they're dancing through the universe. But why do they do that? You see, planets don't start spinning on their own. It's because of something called angular momentum. Sounds fancy, right? But it's just a way to say, when a planet forms, it's already got a little spin going on, and it just keeps spinning and spinning. Imagine you're spinning in your chair. If you spin once, you keep turning without using extra energy. The same thing happens with planets. Once they start spinning, they just keep going. It's kind of like a dance that never stops. So, let's think about how planets get their spin in the first place. Long ago, space was a giant cloud of gas and dust. This cloud collapsed together to form planets. As this happened, everything started to move and the cloud began to twist. And guess what? When this twisting happened, it made the planets spin. It's like when you're twirling a ball on a string. The ball starts spinning because the string pulls it in a circle. But here's something cool. Planets don't just spin around in one direction. They can spin clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on how the cloud twisted. That's why some planets, like Venus, actually spin the opposite way to the others. Isn't that wild? So, the spinning happens because of the way the planets formed, and the motion they started with has carried on through millions of years. And they keep spinning because of something called inertia. That's the force that keeps objects moving once they start. Planets don't stop spinning unless something big gets in their way. Now that you know why planets spin, here's a fun fact for you. Did you know that Earth spins at an amazing speed? It takes just 24 hours for our planet to complete one full spin. So every day, we're actually spinning through space at about 1,000 miles per hour. That's faster than a race car. But don't worry, we don't feel it because the Earth spins slowly and steadily. And remember, planets don't just spin, they also move around the sun, which makes a full year for us. The way the Earth spins and orbits the sun creates day and night, and that's pretty awesome, right? So next time you look up at the sky and see the stars twinkling, just think you're spinning through space, right along with them. Before we end, don't forget to like this video, and make sure to hit that subscribe button. See you in next topic.